Vtsvauto, how y'all doing, guys? We out here getting it in the kitchen, cooking it up. I want to show you guys something that I'm very excited about. A lot of times when you buy parts from a third-party supplier, they're not going to tell you who you're getting it from, because then you can go buy it directly from them if it's a company that sells directly to the public. Well, my good old customer, Mr. Lofton, shout out big brother Mr. Lofton, we definitely want to do the frame bracing on it. We use a chassis off of a hard top. If you know anything about the frames from the hard top and the convertible, it doesn't have the strengthening pieces on the rockers like that it does on a convertible than the hard top frame. The inside of your rocker panel, your rocker channel frame piece is open. It's an open channel on the hard tops. On the convertible, for strength, they welded that in. They capped it in other words. I'll show you guys a picture of that. But now, Speedtech makes a frame stiffening brace kit. The reason why you would want a brace kit for your car is if you got, any really over 600 horsepower, that's enough power and torque to twist and bend things once you get to that, 800,000 horsepower. So they give you this frame bracing and kits, which is stiffen up your frame, which allow you to put that powder directly to the ground and not have to go through a force of going through the bends and then getting it to the ground, if that made sense to you guys. But I'm excited. We're going to do an install. We don't have any affiliation with Speedtech Performance. So we're just going to give you what we think. From the start of it, if you look at the kit, it looks pretty good. They got their name, SDN red. So it's a pretty good looking kit. I like the looks of it so far. So what we're gonna do, me and Deal, Mr. Tom is here to help us out. Red's on bigger projects right now. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna give you what we think. We're gonna start to, piece it together, try to put it together. But I'm very excited to bring you guys this. I feel like that's what my job here is, to keep all of you customers informed on some of the great products or not so great products that's available for this car. So stay tuned, let us show you how we do it here. Speedtech Performance frame brace kit, Vtsvauto style. Let's go. it.